Sony Xperia XZ Premium Review. Introduction. The Sony Xperia XZ Premium has a gorgeous 4K display. Better yet, a 4K HDR display. The latest Snapdragon 835 chipset is pulling the strings and delivering lightning-fast LTE, while the Adreno 540 is firing up millions of pixels in a heartbeat. With or without the mirror finish, this is one of the classiest designs around and waterproof, too. A brand new 19MP main camera does stunning slow-mo videos at 960 fps. There is a 13MP autofocus selfie camera, true stereo speakers and one of the best skins around, the minimalist but feature-rich Xperia launcher. All that sounds great, but we can't miss the fact that while others stretched their screens as much as possible, to the point of them literally spilling over the bezel-less sides, Sony chose to cram extra pixels for a 4K display. While others punched extra holes to fit dual camera setups, Sony was busy adding an extra memory buffer layer and a high-res sensor for striking slow-mo videos. One thing is clear, Sony is on a different roadmap than everybody else, but that doesn't mean their phone is any worse than the rest. Let's check out the specs.